gentleman, and I tell you why. I get all these hoes, I wear brand new clothes.
Yes, sir.
I wear only polo and Prada.
All day, yo.
And I'm in this motherfucker, and I snap on the dough of the Cadillac Explode of the Expo dough. And them hoes see a nigga, and I'm rich for real. And them hoes, they be mad because I rock them bills.
Yeah.
They be crispy for real because I rock my dog. Mr. Vicious, and I rock the nigga on the hall. Temple boy, trill motherfucking record. Hope they see me and they know that nigga J ain't that boy who you fuck with and fuck around with because I'm dealing. And I'm in this motherfucker, we the realest. The real ones, niggas acting like they lost. But I'll never be that nigga who be acting on soft. I'm up in this motherfucker, I don't fuck with wrong. At any fucking cost, I will be that boss. I will be that motherfucker nigga, fuck these tricks. Niggas, cause I ride with niggas and they be fixed. They be counting these dollars, they be making those hollers. We be getting these dollars, we be getting those dollars. And I'm on that, I'm really real, can't you feel? I be fucking with that nigga, stand that niggas that deal. Gemini steals, pay bill, hoes I will count. In my phone, hoes I get bills, hoes I get bills, hoes me for real. Bitches, I'm counting bills because we for real. Bitch, I'm counting bills because we for real. Because we for real. Because we for real. Because we for real. Nigga, I count bills. We for real, so I count bills. We for real, so I count bills. We for real, I count bills. And the other thing, nah, I like that shit.
Coast to Coast Mixtapes.com.
Nah, why she did that?